Hi, I'm Romeo Caparassa. I'm a tax agent and my accounting firm is called Tax Accounting Adelaide. Today I'm just going to tell you what you can claim, particularly if you're an individual tax return taxpayer. So obviously your tax agent can assist you with claiming deductions and stop you paying extra tax by probably knowing a little bit about deductions than you do. But here's a good place to start, and it's a good and important to keep as much information and receipts as you can, so you can collaborate with your tax agent and help them make the most of your deductions for you. And it's also a good way to just spend a bit of time with your tax agent. Little things, them getting to know you can actually get you a better outcome with your tax refund. Some of the main areas that you can that are tax deductible for you and can help you get a bigger tax refund. If you use your car relating to your work, if you are using your car to, for instance, travel to job sites or visit clients as part of your role, and you're actually using your private car and not reimbursed for the car, you can claim either the logbook method of determining your car's percentage use that's work related for 3 months, or you can, if you keep a diary of the amount of kilometres you do in the financial year, you can claim a cents per kilometre method, which is limited to 5,000 kilometres. You can claim uniform costs, particularly if they've got a logo or your work logo on them. You can claim laundry of your uniform. You can also, if you work outdoors, claim sun protection, such as sunglasses or sunscreens. You can also claim protective clothing, such as work boots or workwear, if you're, for instance, a tradesman. You can also claim donations. You can, in some circumstances, if you are working from home, claim home office expenses such as internet costs, electricity costs, additional insurances if you have those. You can claim interest and dividend income deductions. For instance, if you need to have postage or stationery to manage your interest and dividend affairs, or if you have some software to run your shares, for instance, you can claim that as well as bank fees directly related to your interest or dividend investments. You can also claim education expenses which are directly related to your work. A simple test is that they should help you earn either more income in help your skills in your current job, or help you earn more money in your job that you're in at the time. It shouldn't be unconnected to what you're currently doing, so that's not going to be tax deductible. You can obviously claim tools and equipment, such as computers if they relate to your work and you've bought them yourself. Also tools, for instance, if you need to buy any tools. Other things you can claim are things like union fees, meal allowances, mobile or phone if it's related to your work and you're paying for it yourself, income protection insurance if it is outside of your super, and it is for income replacement in case you're injured and cannot work. So there's a list of some of the deductions you can claim to increase your tax refund. Don't forget that at Tax Accounting Adelaide we use an exclusive and updated extensive checklist to maximise your tax refund, and we're on your side but help you keep out of trouble with the ATO. We check all your lodgements are up to date. Sometimes we even find old tax return refunds which haven't been done and you have some amount there, so we can claim those for you. We can check back on previous tax return years and advise if there's something you can do. Educate you properly on not just what you can do if you you haven't kept good receipts this year, we can educate you on what you can do better for your future tax returns and get more out of it in the future. We can listen and get to know you for a better result. Make your tax return hassle-free, either face-to-face or in times we can do that via email, especially if you're away or something like that. We can just make some arrangements to do that with you. When you have a tax agent, you have a little bit longer to do your tax return as well. We can take a holistic approach and not just help you with your tax return, but also coach you to better overall financial health and well-being. We can encourage and explore all avenues open to you to minimise your tax in the future, and we are supportive of you creating wealth for you as well. So we're not just going to want to keep your taxes down, we actually want you to create wealth as well. We can also help you make decisions such as whether you can do something better with your superannuation, such as start a self-managed super fund if that's appropriate for you, or let you speak to your appropriate advisor. And of course, over the years, your tax return shouldn't stay the same. You should be changing your financial position, getting stronger, and hopefully earning more income. Thanks, I'm Romeo Caparasso from Tax Accounting Adelaide, and hope you've enjoyed our YouTube on what you can claim.